Hello guys, so I will be unboxing the Bee Coffee Capsule Espresso machine I got from Shopee, and I got the collector set which has 4 capsule boxes. I have the cappuccino, the Americano, mocha, and latte. It has 10 capsules.
It's yellow, brown, black, red.
Yes, that's right. And I got the black one from Shopee. I got everything for 3,319 because red is already finished or out of stock. So ayan, so medyo struggle ako sa pagbubukas dyan kasi it's very heavy. Ayan, so I got it out like that. It's very heavy eh. So I was checking and to see if it is complete, and it has the waste capsule container. Ayan, the handle, as you can see, that's where you put the capsule in, and of course the water tank, it's at the back, so you fill it with 80.
Tank is in the back.
So it's where the water comes from. You put the water in, and then it goes out to the machine, and it makes coffee.
And there's a big tank. And there's water inside.
Yes.
And it's and there's water.
Yeah. So that's the touch control panel. The one in the plastics are the removable drip tray and the deep tray grill. Yeah. And so for first time use
control
on the top. So for first time use, you have to start it up. You have to rinse the machine first. So, well, nandiyan na yung water at the back. I put water in it. So filtered water is always recommended. Make sure to plug it in, and then make sure that the handle is closed and the container is snugged on the water inlet. Gently but carefully push if need be. Do not put any capsule yet.
Why don't put any capsule?
Kasi you're cleaning first, okay? So heating up, you touch any key to heat up and indicators will blink.
Why
And
blinking?
I don't know. So standby mode, all indicators turn steady. When heating completed, machine is ready for operation. So I clicked on the Longo. It brews the biggest cup, so 110 ml. So of course, yeah, this time I need to try it out, and I used the mocha capsule, but I don't have any cocoa powder or any chocolate syrup, so it's just like an iced latte I made. Ayan, so I tried it out. I pressed on the espresso, which is on the middle. I think it produces 40 ml of brewed coffee. And of course, you can put ice, or you can have it hot.
Why ice?
So because it's hot, so we can drink iced coffee. Have you tasted it?
That's for girls?
No, for big people. Ayan. So
Only for babies?
yeah, we're putting the ice. And of course, you can choose whatever milk you want to put. So in my case, I had the almond milk. What?
Why milk?
So it would taste better.
I will taste better.
Yeah, have you tasted? I gave you that, right? But it's coffee. You cannot drink a lot, right?
Why?
Ayan, so oops, medyo natapon. Oh no.
Where's the top one?
And that's it for me. Bye.
Where? Where's the top one?
There. Natapon there.